In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a website just like this, completely for free. We're going to make the website with WordPress. It's going to be mobile responsive and modern looking. And yeah, I'll show you everything that you need to do inside of this video. So the first thing you need to do, you need to open up Google here and you need to go and search for Pantium.io. So go ahead and search for that and click on their website here. Now we're going to be using this platform here to get a free website up and running with WordPress. We can then customize that website however we want using WordPress, and I'll show you how you can do more of that at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to learn the basics of WordPress. Now once you're on this website here, you need to click Get Started up in the top right hand corner, and then we can register for a free account. So create your free account, join over 150,000 developers using Pantium to create amazing digital experiences. So go ahead and fill out all of this information here, and then we can scroll down and we can click sign up. So once you've created your account here, you need to log in. So I'm going to real quick log in with my email. So once you've logged in here, you should be taken to the Pantium dashboard. Now it's a very simple dashboard, and all you need to do is you need to go to create a new site here, and we're going to go through the process together of creating a new website. So we're loading the dashboard here. Now we can go and give our Pantium site a name. So I'm going to call mine for the video KnowledgeBase Tutorials. After you've done that, you can then choose a region for the site. If you're going to get mostly US traffic, choose US, and then the same with EU, Australia or Canada. So I'm going to get US traffic, so I'm going to leave it on US, and then we can click continue. So once you've done that, you're then going to be able to choose your CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. And in this video, I'll show you how you can make a website with WordPress. It's what I recommend. I wouldn't use anything else except from WordPress. So just click here where it says deploy, and we can then start to build our WordPress website. So just give this a couple of minutes here. It might take 2 to 5 minutes to get it all set up. Once it's set up, I'll be back with you guys. So once that's all done, click this button here, and we can then visit our dashboard. I don't think this is going to take us to our WordPress dashboard yet. What we need to do is we need to click on Visit Development Site, and it then should take us here to our WordPress dashboard. So yeah, here we are on WordPress. We can now choose a language to install it. So I'm going to choose English, click continue. You then need to enter in some information about your website. So go ahead and enter in a site title. After you've done that, enter in a username. Make sure you write out here in this box a strong password. You're going to need this in the future. So make sure it's strong and make sure that you can remember it. Once you've done that, enter in your email. And then here where it says search engine visibility, if you check this, it's going to discourage Google from ranking your website in Google. For most of you though, you probably want Google to rank your website, so just leave this blank and then click install WordPress. Now we've done that, we can now log in with our username and password that we've just entered. So click login here, and it's going to log us in to our WordPress dashboard. So here we are on WordPress, and here we can customize our website. Now first things first, what we're going to do, we're going to hover over the name here. We're going to right click on visit site and open it in a new tab. So any changes we make on our WordPress dashboard now are going to appear live on our website. So if we go to our website, right now it's currently looking like this, which obviously isn't very good. So what we're going to do is we're going to customize it together. I'm going to run you through some things that you need to know about WordPress, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your site easily. The first thing you want to do, go to Appearance, go to Themes, and we need to go and add a theme to WordPress. This is the current one that's active. It isn't very good. WordPress have a lot of free themes that you can use. You can use these ones here on the dashboard, or if you scroll down, you can add new themes from the web. So if you just go ahead and search for free WordPress themes, you can scroll down here and you can download different themes from different websites here. So here on Theme Forest, we have different WordPress themes, which are all free, which we can download. So what you can do, you can go ahead and download these to your computer, and then re-upload them to your WordPress website and use that theme. For the sake of the video though, I'm going to choose one from the WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to choose here, we'll choose this one 2016. So click activate, and it's then going to activate that theme on your website. So now if we go back to our website, we click refresh, we should have a new theme. So here we have a new theme. You can see this theme looks a little bit better. So now what we can do, we can go back to our dashboard. We want to then click on customize, and we can now start to customize our website here. So if we go first to site identity, here is our site title. We can change that if we want to. And then we don't want just another WordPress site, so we can get rid of that and then go back. So slowly you can customize your website here to exactly how you want it. You can go to colors here and change the colors. You can go to header image. We can go and add a new header image here. So I'm going to click add new image and I'm going to select one from my downloads. I'll just use a YouTube thumbnail just so I can show you. So select the file. You can then enter in some text here. You can then caption the file once it uploads. You can add a description and the file URL. Then click here where it says select and crop. And you can then upload this image. So I'm going to drag it all the way down. We're going to upload the whole thing. Then click crop. And now it's put that image on our website. Now obviously it's too big of an image. It doesn't look that great. But I'm just showing you really how this works and how you can customize it. So if you wanted to, you could have like a big welcome banner here. So we're going to keep it for the sake of the video. Once we're happy with that, we're going to then click on publish here. Now in terms of adding pages and posts to your blog, you can do that by either going to pages here or posts. Now pages are going to be static pages like a contact us page, an FAQ page, maybe about us section, and posts are going to be more for if you want to create a blog. So if you want to create an about us page, we can go to pages, add new. You can then go and add a title here, about us, and you can go and start to write out about us here. Once you're happy with that, you can click publish, and you will then publish that page to your website. Now maybe you want that about us page here next to your homepage. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to menus, and we're going to click here, automatically add new top level pages to this menu, and we're going to display it in the primary menu here. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it menu. We can then add the about us page to the menu, and we should now see it on our WordPress website. So here it is. Here is our about us page, and if somebody was to click on that, they would obviously go to that page. And obviously you can customize everything about this page. One last thing that you might want to know, if you go to widgets here, you can actually remove all of this down here and some of this. These actually get in the way sometimes, and sometimes you don't want recent posts and recent comments on your website. So go to widgets, and here where it says sidebar, you can just go ahead and delete these. So click delete, and then again delete. And then on the bottom here, we don't want any of this rubbish, so click delete. Now if we go and refresh our page, we would have removed all of this. So you can see you've just got about us and then search. So the website's coming together, it's starting to look good. So that's how you can make a free website and customize it using WordPress. Take the right time to find a theme that suits what kind of website you want. If you get a good theme, and there are plenty of good free themes, customizing the whole website is going to be a lot easier, and you're just going to have a lot more fun doing it. I hope that video did help you out. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.